Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we are going to make an amazing pasta filled with spices. It's very easy to make, very simple, very quick, and it's really delicious. You know, when making pasta, you always feel like you need to make a tomato sauce, a bolognese sauce, or a sauce with pesto. This one beats them all. It's with a lot of different spices and it's so filling. You can serve it alongside meat, chicken, fish even. And as I said, it's very easy to make. So first off, I'm going to boil the pasta, cook the pasta. It's very important that you do this al dente. So I'm going to keep it in the boiling water for about 7-8 minutes. And I'm using tagliatelle. You can use any type of pasta you want, but I must say that it works great with tagliatelle. So here I have some water that's boiling right now, and I'm putting a good amount of salt in it. What salt does is that it flavors the pasta as it's cooking. And now I'm adding 250 grams of tagliatelle in here. After 7-8 minutes, I'm going to drain it and then we'll continue. And it's done. And now I'm simply going to drain this. And now we make the sauce. In my pan here that I've heated, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to wait until the butter has been melted, and then we're going to continue with sauteing the onions. And now I'm adding an onion that's been diced. A small onion would be more than enough. And I'm going to saute the onion until it's been caramelized. And now in goes the spices. I'm using 5 different spices and I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of each. So 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, red pepper flakes, some cinnamon will go great, and some turmeric, some black pepper, and some more salt. I'm giving everything a good mix, sauteing the spices as well so that they release all their aroma. And time to get the pasta in here as well. I'm just making sure that the pasta is coated with the sauce. Turning off the heat. And it's ready to serve. And dripping over that beautifully flavored sauce. It's super simple, but once you try it, you're gonna understand what I mean by saying that it's really delicious. Topping off with some hazelnuts to give it a little crunches. You can definitely use some greens as well if you would like. Time to give the taste. It's perfect. Flavored to perfection. The butter gives it such richness. As you can see, it's like probably the easiest pasta recipe ever, but it's very different. Do try it and don't forget to leave your comments. I share a lot of easy breezy recipes on my YouTube channel, so if you haven't done so, please do subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye!